Surely a 1070 can beat a 2060 if I give it a little help, right? I use blue tack here because that stops any water getting under the core, and I coat everything else in Vaseline because that stops any condensation from shorting anything. Think of the blue tack as weather sealing and the Vaseline as a raincoat. I have flashed the BIOS, not for more power, but because the Strix Gaming will ignore the curve editor, whereas the Strix OC BIOS will actually lock it. $1070 doesn't win. I still think the 10 series got shown the door a little bit too soon. And for all of you who are about to type but 1080 Ti, don't worry, its dignity is still intact.